Welcome to day 6 of 50 skills in 50 days challenge. Today is content writing day. This tutorial is going to be from beginners to professionals, so do well to stay glued to the end. Global content marketing industry for 2024 is valued $412 billion as at 2024, and there is increase in blog posts from 2020 to 2023. Now there is increase of 70% of company actively invest in content marketing. This is a reminder for you to start your content writing journey now. Your content writing roadmap starts in 7 simple steps. Step 1, learn the basics. Complete 1 to 3 courses to build foundation. Step 2, practice daily. Write samples, start a blog, build portfolio. The goal is to just do something per day. Step 3, get certified. Learn certificate courses to boost your credibility. And if you don't have anywhere to learn a certification courses, do well to watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you websites where you can learn content writing for free and get the certifications at the end of the class. Step 4, create portfolio, showcase your best work and samples. Step 5, join platforms. Step 6, start applying for jobs as a beginner. Step 7, join community of 50 skills in 50 days community. Find the link in below this video or anywhere around this video. Start your journey today. Remember, this class is going to be free training, free professional certificate, real jobs opportunity. The best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time to start is now. 1. It is high demand careers. Digital skill is growing exponentially and business needs quality to attract and retain customers. Content writers are high in demand across all industries. Reason why you should choose content writing in 2026: it is flexible and lucrative. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, scale your income. Experienced content writer can earn between $30 to $150 per hour, depend on your expertise and the niche you pick. 3. Creative expression. Combine creativity with strategic thinking. Share knowledge, tell stories and make an impact through words while building a diverse portfolio across multiple topics. Or choose a niche. You cannot be everywhere. Choose one particular niche you want to be known for, and that will be your goal to make your first money online as a digital skill personnel. Content writing is the heart and science of creating valuable, engaging, and purposeful writing material for digital platforms. It encompasses blog posts, articles, websites, copy, social media content, email newsletter, and more. Content writers craft messages that inform, educate, entertain, or persuade audience while aligning with business goals and SEO strategies. 1. Research and search strategy. Understanding audience need conductive keyword research and planning content that achieve special goals. 2. Creative writing. Crafting compelling narrative using persuasive techniques and maintaining a unique voice that resonates with readers. That is what makes you a good content writer. 3. Optimization. Implementing SEO is the best practice. Formatting for readability and optimizing content for research engine and user experience. A well-optimized content is the one that reaches the right audience and rank high on search engine. 1. Writing masteries. You need to master grammar, storytelling, and persuasion, as I said earlier. 2. SEO knowledge. If you don't know about SEO, make sure you watch the video I dropped yesterday about SEO. Do well to watch the videos and know the website to go to learn your SEO. 3. Audience understanding. Research, personas, and engagement. 4. Analytics. As a content writer, you need to know how to measure metrics, performance, and ROI tracking. 5. Technical skills. You need to learn how to use CMS platform, HTML basic tools, and so many more. And the last on this list you need to learn is creativity. Make sure you don't use AI. AI can be your support, not your primary goals to write. Original ideas sells faster and sells better. So your creativity is your top notch, is your go-to. Original ideas, unique angles, and innovation.
Here are 50 side hustles you can start in 2026.
You want to learn a digital skills, you don't have money, this video is for you.
No capital required, free training, free certifications, and free job websites where you can land your job after the training and getting your certifications. It is for people that wants to scale up but don't have money to learn it. You are going to learn 1 skills per day, 1 certifications per day, and job websites where you can land your jobs per day. This is why most people failed in learning skills and getting a job, is because they are looking for get rich schemes. This video is not a get rich schemes video. It's a training video where you learn the skills, get certifications, and search for job, hunt for job on websites where you can land your remote jobs. Here are the list of jobs you are going to learn in the next 50 days. because it's going to be 1 skills per day, 1 certifications per day, and 1 job website per day. If you don't want to miss out on any of these jobs, do well to click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification so you don't miss out on the next job, and like this video. Do well to share with a friend to learn the skills and get certified. If day 1 of these skills is not for you, day 20 can be for you, day 30 can be for you, in fact day 49 can be for you. So do well to smash on that subscribe button again if you haven't smashed. Like this video. Let me know the skills you want to learn in the comment section. Without further ado, let's move on to my screen.
Here are free websites where you learn your content writing and get professional certificate. 1. HubSpot. HubSpot will give you recognized certificate. Open your browser and type academic.hubspot.com. This is the interface. If you come here, you don't have anything, just come to this search bar and type the courses you want to learn. HubSpot Academy will offer you free certifications after your training. So this is content marketing course. All you just have to do is come right here, the sign up button, click on continue with Google, sign up with your Google account, then move on to doing the necessary thing, verify your email address. They will send you a verification code after you sign up with your email address, then verify with the code, then move on to the next part where you need to fill your details, your name. Then after that, start the course, and after the completion you will have a certifications like this. I wish you the very best. Let's move on to the next one. 2. Great Learning Academy. It's one of the best websites where you can get a professional certificate for learning content writing course. Open your browser and type mygreatlearning.com. This is the interface of the website. You can see here free content writing course. Great Learning free content writing cover blogging, business reports, content marketing, professional communication, learn SEO, WordPress, and blah 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 blah. You don't have to stress over it. If you want to do university course, you can also learn it here. I am not affiliated to this website. I'm just doing this content for tutorial purpose. As a content writer, you can also be a blogger. You can come here, how to start blogging, writing powerful business reports. This is part of content writing. This is so you don't have to go there. This is basic content marketing basics. So you can also come here to learn all of this on My Great Learning. I wish you the very very best, and after the class you are going to get a certification. I wish you best of luck. This is a free course. So let's move on to the next one. 3. Elify.com. Open your browser and come to the search bar right here on Google and put elify.com, because you can see I only type Elify. Click on the first one, and this is what Elify look like. Start for free now. You can have a free course right here on Elify. So you want to learn content writing, come to the search bar at Elify and type your content. So wait to load content writing course. Now this is content writing course. There is free one that is 0 naira, and you can proceed to get their premium course for 9,000 naira. But the purpose of this training is for free courses, right? You want to go to the free course, and if you have 9,000 naira to continue, no problem. I am not affiliated to this website. I am just doing this for tutorial sake. These are the interface. Just come here, start for free. Click on start for free, and right here you can log in with your email address or phone number, and you can also sign in with Google. Use your Google account to sign in. So once you sign in, they will send you a verification code. Verify your Google account, your email address, then move on to fill in your personal details, then start your training. I wish you the very best. Let's move on to the next one. OxfordHomestudy.com. Oxford Home Study will give you professional certificates for learning with them, and it's going to be free. Open your browser and type OxfordHomestudy.com. This is the interface of the website. This website is one of my favorite websites because CPD approved, it is employer approved, it is fully endorsed courses, it is 100% free of charge. You can also study at your own pace, upskill at no cost, which means everything is free on this website. Boost your CV with this website and is well recognized. Learn free courses with no limit, no cost, no commitment, no risk. All you just have to do is come right here and click on enroll on this website to learn your content writing. Just come here, fill in the details. Are you Miss or Mrs.? Choose your title, put your first name, put your last name, put your email address, repeat email here, put your password, repeat password, choose your residential country. You can learn from this website from anywhere in the world. Then accept terms and conditions, click I am not a robot, and move on to the next page. Next page will send you a verification email. Follow the prompt, fill in all details, and start your course in content writing. You don't have to do too much to earn a certifications to work online. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and drop your comments below. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, information and glue around, because we are going to day 50 of these skills and today is just the day 6. Let's move on to the next. 6. digitskills.pk. digitskills.pk will give you a professional certificate after you are done studying with them. Open your browser and type digitskills.pk. This is the interface. This website will give you free access to free training on creative writing, and after the completion of the training you are going to get certification. Duration for this course is 12 weeks. Then just click on join now. You have to sign up to join the training. If you already have an account, just come here and click on that, but you do not have an account, create a new account. Just put your first name, your last name, your phone number, choose your come here right here and choose your country code right here. Input your country code, then put your number, put your email address, put your password, then submit. Once you hit the submit button, it will take you to the next page where you can submit your other details, send you a verification code, then log you into the course. Then you can start your program. This, after the completion of this training, you are going to get a free certification. I wish you the very best on your learning. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend. There is a link to 50 skills in 50 days community. Use the link to join the Telegram group and the WhatsApp community. I wish you the very best. Let's move on to the next one. 7. us.learncafe.com. us.learncafe.com is a website that is owned by USA, and they will give you a professional certificate after you are done learning. Open your browser and type us.learncafe.com. On this website you can learn courses, you can teach on this website, and you can earn money. You can have all these three. You can learn, you can teach, and you can earn. So when you get to this website, come to free courses and find the courses you want to learn. You are learning content writing and it's going for free. You can see free courses. So all you just have to do, you can view the certificates. This is what the certificates will look like once you are done with the course. Come here and start your course in content writing. You can just click on start now for free. It will take you to this place. You can subscribe for just $2.50 for premium, unlimited access to free courses, no wait period. But if you want to learn for free, as I promised in this video, you are going to use this. This is one lesson an hour, 30 free access days. So you only have 30 days to learn these courses and get your certification. If you don't finish this course in 30 days, you are going to pay $2.50 to get your certifications. And once you pay $2.50, you have access to unlimited courses on this website. But if you don't want to pay a dime, make sure you finish this course in less than 30 days. Then hit the sign up button if you want to use the free course. Come here, I am not registered yet. Click on I am not registered yet. Then come here and input your email address, input your full name, input your password. Click on I read and agree to terms and conditions. Then click on sign up. This website is one of the best US free learning websites because I've done one courses with them before and I can assure you they keep to promises. So once you hit the sign up button, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Input the verification code, then move on to the next part where you need to fill in your personal details, then start your course. Mind you, you must finish this course in less than 30 days so that you can get a certification. If you don't finish this course in less than 30 days, you are going to pay $2.50, which is almost $3. So I wish you the very best on your learning journey. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, because today is the day 6 and we are going to 50 days of learning free skills, earning a certifications, and starting your job hunting. If you haven't joined the community, use the link below. Join 50 skills in 50 days community. I wish you all the best. Let's move on to the next one. 8 is Coursera. You know Coursera, right? One of my favorite websites. Open your browser and come to the search bar right here on your browser and put Coursera. This is the website I'm talking about. It's the first one on your search bar. This website is 100% free online courses plus certificate. This is the categories of courses you can learn. It's one of the best websites. I mean, it's one of my favorite websites to learn. So come to the search bar right here and type content writing. Now this is content writing. This is full course on content writing, and you are going to get a certification after the training. This is what the certifications will look like, and this website is giving you for free. It's also giving you free certificate and free training. So come right here on this website to learn content writing. Just click on the course right here. They have an app. Notes: I am not affiliated to any of this website. I'm creating this content for educational purpose. So the only thing you can do for me to pay me back is subscribe, share it with a friend, and drop an honest comment in the comment section. You can install the app to start your training. This is the courses right here. Start the training, you are going to get a certification. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Join the 50 skills in 50 days community, and let's move on to the next one. Open your browser again and come to the search bar and type theskillsets.com theskillset.com. Should I repeat myself? Theskillset.com. You see, this particular website will teach you how to write a web content writing. So yeah, it's going to be free. I don't think there is a certification for this course, but you have the knowledge required to be a content writer. Not just a content writer, you are going to be a web content writer. So this website is going to offer that, and it is completely free, 100% free. So you have just 5 hours to learn this course, and you are not going to get a certification for this. So these are the table of contents. So if you haven't subscribed now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, share with a friend. Let me know the skills you really want to learn in the comment section, because we are going to 50 days and today is just the day 6. Tomorrow is another skill set. So make sure you turn on your notification bell. So once I drop tomorrow's skills, you'll be able to be the first person to be notified. The website to land your job, start your content writing career now. One is Upwork. If you don't know how to create Upwork, put it in the comment section so that I can help you create one. 2 is Fiverr. Fiverr is a gig-based platform. You all know Fiverr, right? 3 is Freelancers. Freelancers.com is for project building, and I hope you know that. You can search for your content writing jobs on freelancers.com. Number 4 is People Per Hour. It's an hybrid model website where you can land your remote jobs. 5, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network website where you can network, meet people, meet clients, and still enjoy your life and still get a job. If you watch it to this point, congratulate you, because you just know the right website to go to learn your content writing and start your career in content writing. These are the major steps you need. This is 1. Start with 1 to 2 courses to avoid overwhelming. Practice writing every single day. Build a niche expertise area. You cannot be everywhere. You can't be in X niche, be in entertainment niche, be in all niche. Just choose one niche for yourself. Create 5 to 10 strong portfolio samples every single day. Network with other writers. Accept beginners rate initially. Don't expect to collect a large amount of money as a beginner because you are just starting. You need that experience. You need to know how the labor market works. Then under promise and over deliver. This is very, very important. Don't promise your clients heaven on earth while you cannot even offer them ordinary head. So make sure you under promise and over deliver. So these are the 7 major steps you should take. Learn the basics, practice daily, get certified, create portfolio, join platform, start applying for jobs, and 7, which is the most important thing, join 50 skills in 50 days community. Check the below description box that will take you to the community. There is a link that will take you to Telegram, WhatsApp community, and groups where you find people that learn the same thing you are learning. I wish you all the best. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and tell someone to tell someone that there is a channel show you websites where you can learn skills, get certified, and still show you websites where you can land your jobs. I wish you the very, very best in your career in content writing. Tomorrow's skills, make sure you come tomorrow. Another day is another skill. Wish you best of luck. Bye.